And Candace, Governor Northam says that while Virginia is doing better than other states in the country, they are still seeing a rise in cases and hospitalizations, and the percent positivity rate now over 7%, up from what was under 5% at the start of October. And Northam said he didn't want to wait for it to get worse before taking action.
We don't want to wait until we're seeing overwhelmed hospitals and double-digit positivity rates in every region.
The explanation from Governor Ralph Northam Wednesday on why he announced new statewide COVID-19 restrictions late Friday. Earlier last week, he had said he was focused on mitigation, but says he was swayed by the data he saw that day and what was happening elsewhere in the country.
Seeing mobile morgues outside of hospitals because there's no place to put the dead. We don't need that to happen in Virginia.
He also faced questions on those new restrictions and how he came to them. For the new gathering limit of 25, down from 250, Northam says they felt it was a good starting place, but says all options are on the table.
If we see that 25 is not getting us where we need to be, we'll obviously make adjustments.
Although Northam admitted the restriction will be difficult to enforce.
If someone is not following the guidelines and law enforcement becomes aware of it, they may intervene.
Northam added he lowered the mask mandate to apply to anyone over 5 because he believed children of that age could manage it. Mentioned visiting pre-K classes where children were wearing masks.
They can follow guidelines well.
When asked about other possible restrictions, such as ones for travel, Northam again said all options are on the table. He was also asked about if he would consider ordering schools to stop in-person learning, but Northam said he'll continue to let local districts make the call.
We have given very consistent guidelines to the schools. We have a dashboard. They have access to all of the data that we have, and again, one size doesn't fit all.
And as we approach Thanksgiving, Northam reiterated his plea for people to reconsider their plans to gather with family members and said that staying home this year is an act of love to protect those that you care about and to ensure that everyone can be at the table next Thanksgiving. Working for you at the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.